I forgot that it doesn't say that on there. But this stuff, I got it from Incredible Pizza. If you get it from there, it's non-toxic, but it is a choking hazard. I wouldn't recommend it for 3-year-olds or under. Now, as you can see, yeah, it's fun to play with. Some people think it's disgusting. I did it first, but it's not too disgusting. Look, be like this. There's like air stuck in it, and if you get this, I don't know if you can hear it, but it was, you know, good air. But you can do tricks with it, or catch, or you can flat it. Flat it is fun. Boom. Boom. Had enough. Oh my, this is I didn't do it! There's a lot of cool things you can do with this. Like this. Just stay right here. Trash. Your trash. And 4 fries. That's pretty good fly. Come out. Okay, so I'm going to show you how long this video will take. Just to show you that you truly don't want this video not making any time up. But don't worry, I'm just going to show you this quick trick. I got it to work once. I've been trying to get it to work, but I can't. Basically, it's a trick to make the middle hollow. But right now, we're going to, I'm going to show you how to make it into like a circular, strip-ish thing. So first, you get this little bit at a corner. You only want it to just let it fall down. When you're done, make sure it doesn't break. It almost broke. So then you roll it. This is kind of simple. Oh man, my hands. You roll it until you get the. It's like one of those black snakes. Maybe for snakes. I'm like terrified to walk in the big weeds. I'm afraid like this. So I think we got the right length. And you can see we have a nice long. Yeah, I broke it in half. Well, guys, if it ever does break on you, can I say about this? You put it back in the box. Okay. Put it on. Stick that on. Shake it up. I'd say for about 30 seconds. But since I wasn't, it more depends on how big the chunk is. If it like snaps in half, yeah, 30 seconds. That was a small piece. Rip into it. Oh my, that almost went off. Guys, we're going to do that, and I'm going to do a time lapse and seeking